suppose so. It seems alright. What do you think?
Well, I'll take it if you like it, Mom. Why don't you discuss the moving arrangement while I take a look around?
Alright. Let me know what you decide.
The more I take a look around, the more it really just looks like it. But it really can't be. But it is. The dream that I had when I was a young kid. I was just taking an afternoon nap when a strange man appeared. I remember now. There are 3 other men, 2 older and 1 young. It was a really strange atmosphere. I just remember, sat in a corner, crying my eyes out. Yes, as soon as I realized it, I was back in my old room. The world is a strange place, isn't it? I really haven't eaten all day. Just 50 rupees. I guess it's cup noodles for lunch today as well.
There's a 100 rupee note in your other pocket.
Yep. Oh right, I forgot about it. Wait, what? Who said that?
Sir, excuse me. It's been a while since I've been in college. Thanks for letting me watch you, brother.
And who are you supposed to be?
Oh, come on. You know who I am, don't you? I'm you.
Stop messing with me, uncle.
I'm not old enough to be called uncle just yet. Hey, and no, I am not messing with you. To be precise, I knew you about 9 years and 2 months in the future.
Well, if I didn't know any better, I could have thought you were some old drunkard who got lost. But now that I take a good look at you, you look eerily similar to me. Wait, did I build a time machine or something? I can't believe it.
Yeah, you really did. Well, me and a problematic other. Anyways, this means that you managed to do something that civilization since lost have been trying to do. And this time around, you don't even have to invent the damn time machine. You can just take mine and make it own.
Thanks for the proposal, I guess.
It's about time. In about 32 seconds, you're gonna have a guest. He's gonna change your life.
Wait, are you trying to scare me on purpose?
Relax. When the time comes, I'll be ready, I guess.
Lauren, what are you doing here?
I will take it, sir. Your great uncle passed away, leaving behind around 20 lakhs of forest land. The only person left who fits the criteria to inherit that land is you. If you just sign here and there, and that's all.
Wait, what? Just like that?
I reacted the same way.
Yes, yes. Just sign here and here, and that's all. It's all yours.
I really am rich now. What should I do with all that money?
You know, just settle down and give half of it to me.
Right. That makes sense. Wait, what? Why should I give you all the money?
Hey, I'm a proper office worker, not some damn sleazy salesman. I have good vision of what I'm doing. Look, if you really want to know why, I just want a chance to make up for my failures, okay?
Really? What kind?
You see, kid, in life, there's an infinite amount of paths you can take. The choices you make and the people you meet are what entirely decides your future. And money is the worst of it all. It's a monster. A monster! If a kid like you gets 20 lakhs, you think it'll never end well for him. So just listen to me and split the money with me, alright?
Hey, stop that! What do you mean split it? Don't be so greedy.
Who are you?
I'm you. You at the age of 50, 30 years from now. I also wanted to relieve my complications. The age I live in, inflation is absolutely horrible. 20 lakhs, it barely makes a dent. It's next to work. Listen, kid. Don't sell the land. Not until you get my age.
But that means we only broke forever.
No! You must sell the land!
Oh God, another one.
Listen, for you, I might be 50 years in the future. But all the land that you've inherited gets repossessed by the government. I have nothing left. My current state, it's all you guys' fault.
Your future me? That means I didn't age well, did I? And is that supposed to be a younger version of me?
Yes, I have my own reasons. Anyways, I can't leave the finances to young idiots. Exchange the land for jewels and give them all to me.
That's insane! I can't give 20 lakhs to just one person.
Hey, I need to enjoy my life too. Hear me out. I'm your future self.
Stop it. I get your desperation.
Don't call it desperation, please.
But this is no way to go about it. How about we put it to a vote? First, are we selling the land or not? Let's start with that.
Sell it! Sell it!
No,
Don't sell it!
Oh, this is not going to work out, is it? Okay, here goes. We all have a right to present our own arguments because it affects all of us. But we're all biased towards our own problems. What is the solution?
Which is exactly the reason why I brought the 9-year-old along. He does not have any need for money just as yet. So, he'll serve as a good mediator to solve our dispute.
I wouldn't have it past this geezer to have his own agenda planted in his head.
Come on, boy. Come here. Just come here. It'll be all right. Never see big fat.
I can't believe I was this young once.
Just listen to the adults, alright? It'll be fine.
Today, you have to plan your future. Your way up.
So naive and pure.
This is it. It's the same dream I had when I was a young kid. The situations are similar, but it has taken a different course in time this time around.
Hey, don't try to swear with the kid.
Hey, as if you're any better, greedy bum. Learn to respect your elders, you greedy brat! Listen, when you're 21, I'll come back to get you. That's just
Don't you dare try to take all that money for yourself.
If I knew this is all the future had in store for me, I probably wouldn't even want to live. Hey, stop it. Is that anyway how you treat a kid? Greedy bum. Let's go down.
That can still be arranged, you know.
Who are you supposed to be? Don't even look like me.
When I said I made the time machine, I may have gone over important details, especially a few money details.
Regardless of your ages, you are all just shameless. I bet you didn't even explain my role in building the time machine. Did you?
We did do work, you psycho!
If you want to survive the situation, just shut your mouth! What did you think? You could escape the situation by finding your past? Look at you. Look at you extorting money from younger sons, just like a leech. Leech? Just like a time. We built the time machine together. I did all the work. But you stole the credit. met you not long after. You know what? I won't let that opportunity come again.
I am
I'll
innocent.
take care of you.
Wait.
I'll take care of you and the rest of you, I guess.
What did we do?
As if you aren't better. Huh? That's much better. I think I will be gone then. Oh, the kid. It's hard to hold a grudge against a kid. Come on, little kid. Don't be afraid of me. Take you back to the whole time. Pretend nothing ever happened. Come on.
Oh, Mom. What happened?
Where am I?
I think so. I had a pain. It's fine now. Don't worry. Okay? Let's go.
It's right this way. I know it isn't much, but because of that the rent is so cheap. Only 10,000 per month. I hope it's alright. I mean, a room like this in a decent neighborhood is a total steal. Look the view you have out of the window.
I suppose so. It seems alright. What do you think?
Well, I'll take it if you like it, Mom. Why don't you discuss the moving arrangement while I take a look around?
Alright. Let me know what you decide.
More that I take a look around this room, it really just looks like. Wait. Have I seen this before?
This script was adapted from a Japanese manga called Jibun Kaigi from the creators of Doraemon. Thank you.